Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn off your Instagram DM. By turning off, I mean that you guys are not going to get any notification even if somebody messages you on your Instagram DM on your phone. Now, if you want to disable your Instagram DM, we have already made a video on that topic. If you disable your DMs, nobody can message you. But if you turn off your message, then people can message you, but you are not going to get the notification. Alright? And that's today's video. So don't get confused between the topic. And let me show you how to do this. And before I show you the steps on how to do this, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're in your Instagram profile, you can click on the three line at the top right of your screen. Once you click on the three line, first over here where it says setting, click on it. Once you're inside our Instagram settings, second option where it says notification, once you click on notification. Once you're inside notification, you can see this option called messages and calls. Click on messages and calls. And over here, it's going to show you tons of, option for messages and calls. So let's wait for some time until it loads up. So it might take a bit of time for this to load up, alright? So be a bit patient. Now once this loads up, you can turn on or off any notification you want. So for message request, I will turn it off. And for broadcast channel message as well, I want it off. And for social channel, off as well. Group message request, off. So for most of the option, I have chosen off because I don't want to get notified for anything. So I'm going to choose everything off. That means I'm going to get no notification whether somebody messages or calls me on Instagram. That's how you guys can turn off your Instagram DMs. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos just like this. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.